Time for a small explore this morning at a new camera angle. Hopefully it's not just a picture of my ass. Anyway. A place called Alstonville. Go for a little explore down something called Gap Road. It's only a tiny little bit, but I went up the other end of it several years ago when I was still on road tyres and got about 100 yards. It was very rubbly. I thought I'll leave that for another time. I just remembered it. So we'll just go give it a try. Edge of the suburbs here. That looks interesting. What's that? A quarry. Right. Dillon's Lane. Okay. Go through road. Oh look, there's a view of what would be a view of the sea if we could see. It's alright though. Look at all these pretty trees and carry on like that. At some point I'm expecting this to turn to dirt. I'm not charging along too fast. It's not very gravelly, pretty clean at the moment. These places would be worth a bit. Sea views when it's not misty, I guess. Bit of acreage. Out of town. Nice. Nobody behind me. Nope. Nice little valleys and things. Got $1 million or so, you could probably buy something in here. Just waiting for the inevitable local flying along a single lane dirt track like nobody else could ever come. That looks like an old trail, maybe a walking track. Yeah, that's pretty, isn't it? It's a bit steep. I like it though. Don't someone appear right now. And that, I believe, is it for the dirt road. There's a whole bunch of cars here wondering what the hell I'm doing. Hi guys. Just passing through nice and peacefully. Hello. Back on the bitumen. So that was it. Gap Road. A little bit of an explorer. Starting to piece together more and more local side roads and dirt roads where I could make some of the daily sort of boring rides a bit more interesting. So thanks for watching. Everybody ride safe and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Restart the cameras and find some coffee. So this guy, Hippo-Drones, I'm giving a shout out to. It's a guy in England, channel I got into only recently really, well maybe the last 6 months. And he does really great vlogs. As I say in Australia, he's mad as a cut snake, but then aren't we all really? Anyway, he does great stuff, quite a variation, which I like. I like people who do whatever they're into, different things. So a lot of riding, his several bikes, he's got lots, go check him out. And he's recently got into dirt riding. I say recently got into it, he's like done it once and he's better than me already, but that's not difficult. But one of the great things he does visits to old castles in England and shows you around them. Goes there on his bike, shows a bit of the ride, shows the castle, and it's very cool. He's just getting better and better too, which is great. It's great to see somebody who's just going to constantly improve, so go check him out.